Alright, so hey, we're here driving, headed to Willow Springs Raceway. Today we have a fun, full, packed day. There's a couple of pro drivers coming out today. We're going to go do some tandeming. It was kind of hectic. I wasn't filming earlier because we thought we're trying to not flip over the truck and trailer because extremely high winds. We got snow behind us, which is, kind of rare for Southern California. But we're climbing the hill right by fuel suspension. So Odie, I'm sure, is digging out of snow right now. He's going to be out there with us as well. So stay tuned and we'll show you some footage from today. All right, so hey, this is pretty crazy. It's raining everywhere around us if you look, but the track is completely sunny and dry. So when they say that the weather, I guess, follows or supports the racetrack, look at that, that's pretty craziness. So we just got here, Willow Springs Raceway. We're gonna go check in the front office and stay with us. I think I just saw Matt pull up and a couple other people show up, so it should be fun. Here we go. All right, so normally we drive the other track, but today we're driving Walt James. So this is the Walt James track. It's like a big dirt oval. It's pretty cool, actually. It's nice because there's a lot of open space. The bad part is it kills tires. So we're gonna be driving here instead of balcony today. So a little bit different scenery, but let's get all set up. Okay, so we pulled up and now we are rearranging the cars and trucks and trailers basically so that we can block all of the wind. So we're gonna build a big U-turn here, and then Dai's on his way over as well. So we're gonna build a big U-turn and try and protect ourselves from the crazy wind going on. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Odie's unloading the car. I think it's up on the top, so he's bringing it down, unloading it out the back, and then we'll pull up and unload the race car. Oh, I guess there's a jack in the way. That makes sense. I ran over a jack this morning as well, so this is a fun jack day. There we go. Got it out. And there comes Dai in the background. Odie, and there's Dai. Alright, so we're doing a track walk around here. I got a crew guy right here. Look at this. Look, that's actual height difference. Look, this is like not even funny. But anyways, we got Odie down here. He's measuring the track. This is a 3-shoe crack right here. So we're gonna try and avoid that. But anyways, we're gonna figure out a fun track layout to run, and then some tires on it and send it. There we got Dai here. We are here ready to rock and roll. Alright, so we're out here. We just found Taka. He's trying to stay standing up because of the wind. We had a little mishap though. It doesn't look very good. Something's not very...
She's just pissing, that's it.
It is. She's a little pissy, but it's alright. So there's some oil. It's sad because I want to ride it or drive with this guy, and this guy kills it. So I am a little bummed on that. But there is oil everywhere. So hopefully he gets back up and going, and he can spend some more time out here driving with us. But if not, it's still a dope looking car. So it is amazing. From some killer runs. Tires are completely gone. And look at that. We got the wifey helping out. And look, she even knows where to jack from. So we got the fuel coilovers right here, and then the wincher's right there, right next to the wife's fab, and there's a bar. And she jacks it from the bar to not damage anything. So, thank you, babe. Love ya.
Love you too.
So she's gonna change tires for me, and yeah, these are done. I get every last bit out of these 123S's. It is awesome. So I'm gonna grab the tires for her because that part's a little heavy, and we'll be ready to go. All right, so that's a wrap. We got Carson out here helping us load up. Woo, look at the back of the tires. Look, the whole entire truck bed is full of used tires. So we got down. These guys are loading up too. We're gonna go see what the mischief is going on out here. I think S's daughter is doing some donuts or something. So we'll go check it out. And the wifey's right here behind us too. Hi, wifey. Look at that, here we go. She's getting driving lessons from the pro. I saw her out here doing donuts. She's getting there.
Counter steer now.
Cody says more counter steer. More counter steer, here we go. Oh! Oh! There we go. Oh, and she's off.